Sing softly when you hold me tight. And oh, it sounds good to me, back the way it used to be. I feel like I'm from a different time. We're two strokes there in a milkshake. We're going parking down by the lake. For the alley sings at a beat today. Well, let's live here in the jukebox. You know I can't turn back the clocks. And those days really gone away. And oh, it sounds good to me, back the way it used to be. I feel like I'm from a different time. And oh, it sounds good to me, back the way it used to be. I feel like I'm from a different time. 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 La la da da da. La la da da da. La la da da da.
Let's learn Dance 365. It's choreographed by Jill Weiss. It's a 32 count, 4-wall beginner level line dance with no tags and no restarts. This dance does have the option to dance it to a variety of music. So if you have any questions about what alternative songs you can use, please check out the step sheet or contact Jill for any other song options. I'm going to turn around and break down each section of the dance using steps and counts. We'll then do the front wall with steps and counts and do a full rotation or all 4 walls of the dance, alternating between steps and counts. So let's turn around and learn Dance 365. Section 1, your weight's going to start on your left foot. We're going to do a right side toe strut, so touch your right toe to the side, drop your heel. We're going to rock back our left behind our right, step your left back, recover onto the right, and we're going to do a left side shuffle, rock back, recover, or a Lindy to the left, shuffling left together, left, rock your right foot back, and recover. Let's try that with some counts. Side toe strut. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. Section 2 are those same exact steps. However, on our Lindy, we're going to make an 1/8 of a turn to face the diagonal, or 130. So we're going to do our right side toe strut. It's side toe, strut, rock back, recover, side shuffle, and as you rock back, you're going to go into the diagonal, recover onto your left foot, and you'll be facing 130. So when you rock back, your rock is happening to 730. Your recover is facing 130. So let's try it with some counts. Side toe strut. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Diagonal. 7, 8. And your weight is on your left foot and you're facing 130. Section 3, we're going to do 2 toe struts forward, starting with our right foot. Right toe, heel, left toe, heel. Still heading into the diagonal. You're going to touch your right toe forward, touch your right toe back, touch your right toe to the side, and then we're going to take our right foot and we're going to flick it up and behind our left knee to end that section. So let's try that with some counts. Our weight is on our left foot facing 130. You're doing your toe struts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 4, in our last section of the dance, we're going to do side toe struts that make an 1/8 of a turn to square us up to the 3 o'clock wall. So we're going to step our right foot to the right side and touch, still facing 130. Now we're going to make an 1/8 of a turn, stepping our left foot to the left side to square us up to the 3 o'clock wall and touch. Step your right foot to the right side and touch. Step your left foot to the left side and touch. End of dance. So let's try that with some counts. We just flicked back. You're doing your side touch, still facing 130. So it's 1, 2, turn, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then you're ready to start the dance all over again. Let's do the front wall, 1 time with steps and then 1 time with counts before going all the way around. Starting with your toe strut sections. Weight on your left foot, side toe strut. toe, strut, rock back, recover, side shuffle. Rock back, do it again, side toe. Strut, rock back, recover, side shuffle. Now our diagonal, rock, recover, right toe. Heel, left toe, heel, touch, touch, point, flick. Side touch, turn, touch, side touch, side touch. Let's try it with some counts. Side toe strut. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, diagonal 7, 8, toe strut. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And you're ready to do the whole dance all the way around. Let's go all the way around without stopping so you can practice how the dance rotates around the room. On the front and back wall, I will be using steps, and on the side walls, we'll do it with some counts. So let's dance all the way around. Dance 3, 6, 5. Weight on your left foot, toe strut. Right toe, strut, rock back, recover, side shuffle. Rock back, toe strut, side toe strut. Rock back, recover, side shuffle, diagonal, rock back, recover, right toe. Heel, left toe, heel point forward, back, side, flick, side touch, turn touch, side touch, side touch. Now toe strut. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, diagonal, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Toe strut, right toe. Strut left, rock back, recover. Left shuffle, rock back, recover. Side toe. Strut left, rock, recover. Side shuffle, rock back, diagonal, right toe. Heel, left toe. Heel point forward, back, side, flick, side touch, turn touch, side touch, right toe strut. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, diagonal 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is the entire dance for dance 3, 6, 5. I hope this helped you learn it, and I hope to dance it on a dance floor with you soon.